Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, we're going to work on Tesla. Tesla is something that I enjoy trading. We've talked about all the number of reasons in previous discussions, but a part we're going to look at tonight is how well it is respecting the Voodoo Roadmap. So again, you guys know I'm a huge follower of David's work, and when we find a product that is respecting these levels so well, it deserves a little extra attention. So we traded that coming into the week, and we're able to take some profits up here at the fire line. Then you see the next morning, it sags off, has a pretty decent close, but then look at how it's offered at that level exactly, and from there has had a very precipitous fall. Now this is aided, of course, by the delivery numbers that were reported today, pretty much in line, but all the same, the stock, had a very significant drop. And this tree line is the next key area of decision. Now, the tough part is it didn't test it exactly, because if I'm going to treat this as an area of demand, well, you got down into the vicinity of it today, but it could actually still be tested tomorrow. If it tests and holds, I'm still a buyer of Tesla down here, looking for a gap fill, and then looking for a test of 263. If that plays out tomorrow, that'll be great. If it has to have a little bit more weakness, remember that you still have the anticipation of the robotaxi event and of earnings that are out there. Now, I don't want to take risk for any of those two events, at least not the risk like we're talking about here, but to look for your directional opportunity into those events as a sort of, buy the rumor and sell the news kind of situation. I believe that's what we're at from now until the 10th for that first event, and then we'll get through our next round of decisions from there. But the decision for tomorrow is going to be this wedge. Again, asking, did the tree line end up giving support and we're ready for a bigger move? Well, that's going to be just that. Again, a break of the trend line, a break of the hedge wall tomorrow, Tesla down at 246, 245. That's not going to be not as easy to trade, I don't think. But you get the gap up above here. Like I said, I think you've got some good targets overhead, and that's one of the spots that I will be focused. So I hope you've been finding the levels helpful. Have a great rest of your evening. We'll look at this again in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.